There are a lot of rumors about the process of entering the United States under humanitarian parole. In this video, we will talk about some of the many rumors we've heard lately so we can all learn from each other. Rumor number 1. It is necessary to live in a shelter to solicit entry to the United States under humanitarian parole. Truth. It doesn't matter where you are living when you solicit permission to enter the United States under humanitarian parole. It could be that you live in a temporary shelter for migrants, but it can also be that you live in an apartment or a house. Rumor number 2. It is necessary to present a reference card from a shelter demonstrating that you lived in a shelter to be eligible to solicit entry under humanitarian parole. Truth. You do not need a card from any shelter to solicit entry under humanitarian parole. Rumor number 3. If you do not live in a shelter for migrants, or if you change shelters, you will not receive help from the lawyers at Al Otro Lado. Truth. The lawyers at Al Otro Lado help all migrants. It does not matter if you live in a shelter or rent a room. It is not a requirement to live in a shelter to receive help from our organization. You can rent and continue receiving support from our organization. Rumor number 4. The person who is going to provide you housing in the United States, known as a sponsor, has to fill out Form I-134, Declaration of Financial Support. Truth. Form I-134, Declaration of Financial Support, is a form used during other immigration processes, but is not necessary to use this form to support an application for humanitarian parole at the border. Rumor number 5. It is necessary to pay a private attorney to make the process of soliciting entry under humanitarian parole faster. Truth. The process is being managed by civil society nonprofit organizations that do not charge for their services. It is not necessary to pay a lawyer, and paying a lawyer will not make the process faster. Caution. There are many people that pretend to be lawyers but are not. Before giving money to someone, verify that the person is a real lawyer. You can do this by requesting their license number. Every U.S. lawyer, in order to practice law, should have a license from the United States. If you search Google for the state attorney directory, you can verify if the person is a real lawyer and if they have any disciplinary complaints against them. You should never deposit money into any account that does not contain the number of your lawyer and their firm. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and keeping yourself informed. We will continue to update information as we verify it. Follow to stay informed. In solidarity, al otro lado.